My brothers and sisters, I apologize if this video takes a long time, but if you listen to this video carefully, you will benefit a lot.
Life is a beautiful journey, filled with experiences that bring us joy, sorrow, triumph, and hardship. These challenges are a natural part of our existence, and Islam offers us a wealth of guidance on how to navigate them. Today's lecture won't focus on a one-size-fits-all solution, because problems are unique. But we will explore some foundational Islamic principles that can serve as a compass through difficult times. Trials and tribulations, a sign of Allah's love. The Qur'an tells us, "And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger and a loss of wealth and lives and fruits, but give good tidings to the patient, who, when disaster strikes them, say, Indeed we belong to Allah, and indeed to Him we will return." These tests don't come from a place of malice. Allah tests us because He loves us, and He wants us to grow stronger in our faith. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, although there is good in both of them. Strive for that which benefits you, seek help from Allah, and do not be helpless." Stories of resilience. Throughout Islamic history, there are countless examples of people who faced immense challenges with unwavering faith. Consider the story of Prophet Yusuf. His brothers betrayed him, selling him into slavery. He endured years of hardship, yet he never lost hope in Allah. His patience and reliance on Allah ultimately led him to a position of power, where he forgave his brothers and used his position to help others during a famine. We can also reflect on the Prophet's journey. He faced persecution, ridicule, and even threats to his life. Yet, he remained steadfast in his mission, spreading the message of Islam with unwavering conviction. His perseverance is a beacon of hope for all Muslims. Keys to facing challenges. Tawakkul, trust in Allah. The foundation of dealing with difficulty is having complete trust in Allah's plan. Believe that He knows what's best for you, even when things seem bleak. Sabr, patience. Difficulties won't disappear overnight. Cultivate patience, knowing that Allah rewards those who persevere. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Seek help through patience and prayer, for verily, Allah is with the patient." Dua, supplication. Pour your heart out to Allah in times of need. He is the most merciful, and He listens to the prayers of His servants. Seeking knowledge, when faced with a problem, educate yourself on Islamic solutions. The Quran and the teachings of the Prophet offer guidance for many situations. Good deeds, don't let your struggles prevent you from doing good. Helping others strengthens your own resolve and reminds you of the blessings you still have. Conclusion. Life's challenges are inevitable, but they don't have to define us. By turning to Allah with trust, patience, and prayer, we can navigate difficult times and emerge stronger in our faith. Remember, the greatest reward often comes after the greatest struggle. This lecture just scratches the surface of this rich topic. There are many other Islamic teachings and stories that can provide guidance and comfort. I encourage you to continue your study and connect with local Islamic scholars for deeper understanding. May Allah reward you for listening.